everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare broken wheat or dalia with paneer and lots of vegetables. I am preparing it for breakfast, but you can have this in lunch, dinner or as an evening snack as well. Here are all the vegetables that I will be using. I have taken some roughly chopped garlic, tomatoes, onion, paneer, carrot and beans and some pumpkin. And here I have some groundnuts, roughly chopped coriander and curry leaves. Now I am heating up a kadhai and will be adding mustard oil. You can use any variety of oil that you prefer. Once oil is heated up, we'll fry the groundnuts. Once they are done, keep it aside. In this remaining oil, we'll be preparing the recipe. Adding some mustard seeds, curry leaves and garlic. Allow it to cook for a minute and then we'll be adding the onions. While onions are cooking, here I am taking some broken wheat or dalia. You can take broken wheat based on the number of people you want to serve. Here I am taking it for 5 people. In the meanwhile, onions are also cooked. We'll add the remaining vegetables like tomatoes, pumpkins, carrots and beans. We'll add salt as per taste, pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. Once the vegetables are a bit cooked, we'll add the paneer pieces and also washed dalia. Adding little more salt. Give this a good mix and add the required quantity of water. Now we'll cover and allow it to cook for a whistle. Once done, allow it to cool down. And here we have our dalia all ready to be served. Here I am taking a serving bowl. We'll serve the dalia. And from top I am adding some roughly chopped coriander and groundnuts. And here is our healthy and fulfilling breakfast all ready to be served. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.